नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी? गुड. नाउ विल स्टार्ट आवर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अगेन. ओके, टुडे विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, लेसन 17. छोटी सी हमारी नदी. छोटी सी मीन्स स्मॉल, a very small, like if you are sewing something with hand. छोटी सी means a very small. हमारी means R, O-U-R. नदी, you all know what is नदी? नदी means river. नदी means river. Around you, which place you are staying, lot of rivers are there. Okay, you know the river. Like here a famous river is your Vaigehi river, and I taught you beginning also how many rivers are here. Okay, some famous rivers are there, big river, width wise, length wise. Some seasonal rivers are there, like in summer season it will dry and rainy season it will be full. So today in this lesson we will read about a river. This is a village story. In village time, how people are there, and if river is there, how their life was there. This is a small poem. I'll read and I will translate for you. छोटी सी हमारी नदी, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी धार. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी means zigzag, धार means flow. धार means flow. छोटी सी हमारी नदी. Our small river which is having a zigzag flow. गर्मियों में घुटने भर भिगो कर जाते पार. In summer season, water will be only till knee. Till knee only water is there. Easily you can cross the river. पार जाते ढोर डंगर बैलगाड़ी चालू. And not a human. Some animals also, cow, buffaloes, and other small animals also. Easily they can cross the river. And sometime bullock cart also will go, because a little water is there, so anyone can cross the river. ऊंचे हैं किनारे इसके, पाट इसका ढालू. ऊंचे हैं किनारे इसके. River, you know, seasonal river, it will be too much sand. So due to air or due to heavy water, day by day it will go in deep, like a valley. When you see from top, it looks like a valley. It will be too top, and zigzag road also will be there to reach to the river. Beginning it was like this. ऊंचे हैं किनारे इसके, पाट इसका ढालू. It is too top, and down it will be too slope. Okay, like from top to down, like from hills you are going down, how it will be. Same thing, river also will be there. पेटे में झकाझक बालू, कीचड़ का ना नाम. And when you go in the river, if you touch the water, down there is no mud, because everything is settled. Only sand is there. And you know how will be the river sand? Your beach, sea sand will be rough and yellow color, but river sand will be white color, silver color it will be. So पेटे में झकाझक बालू. बालू means sand. कीचड़, कीचड़ means mud. कीचड़ का ना नाम means little also mud is not there. There is no mud in this river. Only white color sand is there. So if you walk also in water, in your leg, you will not get any mud. कांस फूले एक पार, उजले जैसे घाम. And near the river, कांस is a flower. Okay, कांस is a flower that will be orange color. And when all कांस flower will be there, na, you will feel it's too sunny day, because that is a orange color. In afternoon how it looks, na, sunny, that near the river it will look like a sunny day. दिन भर किचपिच करती मैना डार डार. And on the tree whole day birds will twitter. Okay, lot of birds are there, so birds what they will do? They are doing twittering. So on the tree birds will twitter. रात को हुआ हुआ कर उठते सियार. Daytime birds sound will be there. Night time all birds will sleep. Everywhere it will be dark. So night time who will come? Your jackal, fox, hyena, that type of things only will be there. So jackal, normally jackal and fox, they live close to town or village. Okay, hyena normally you will not get, they will be in deep forest, but your jackal and fox near the village or town where little forest is there, water is there, they will come. Okay, so night time their hua hua sound easily you can listen. अमराई दूजे किनारे और ताड़ बन. One side Kans flower is there, Kans tree is there, and river another side. What is that? Amrai or Tadvan. Mango tree is there and palm tree is there. Here on screen you can see also some palm tree picture is there. Okay, Amrai duje kinare or Tadvan means palm forest and mango, lot of trees are there. छाहो छामो बामहन टोला बसा है सघन. And after that trees very close to river, people are living there, too much people are living means there is a village very close to river. कच्चे बच्चे धार कछारों पर उछल नहा लें. And कच्चे बच्चे means all age people here. Kache bache means small children, middle age people, old people, ladies, gents, girl, boy, all are taking bath, they are jumping, they are enjoying there on the river. गमछो गमछो पानी भर अंग अंग पर ढाले. They are having towel with them. In towel only they are collecting the water and they are putting on their body. Like we are using the mug, they are using their towel as a mug. कभी कभी वे सांझ सकारे निबटा कर नहाना. छोटी छोटी मछली मारे आंचल काकर छाना. Evening time, sometime if you'll see evening, some people, men or women, they will finish their all work. Daytime all work they will finish, and evening they will go to take bath in river. And ladies, when they are taking the bath with their sari balli in water, they will catch the fish. बहुएं नोटा थाल मांजती रगड़ रगड़ कर देती. And some ladies from their house vessels they will bring and they will wash in that water. Okay, कपड़े धोती घर के कामों के लिए चल देती. Some people they are washing the clothes, some is washing their vessels, and some people they are bringing their animals, their pet animals like your buffalo, cow or whatever, bull they are having, they will give bath in that river only. जैसे ही आषाढ़ बरसता भर नदियाँ उतराती. This all those things is happening in a winter season and summer season. When rainy season will come, what will happen? Now everywhere water will be there. So जैसे ही आषाढ़ बरसता, आषाढ़ means August month. Okay, August month is there na. आडी मास you will say in Hindi, we will say आषाढ़. आषाढ़ means August month, आडी month. भर नदियाँ उतराती, rivers will be full, it will be over flooded. मतवाली सी छूटी चलती तेज धार दन्नाती. And just like a mad or very happy, they will run like anything, means water will run like anything, too much water will be there na. So very fast water will flow, like maybe dam you have seen, when they will leave the dam water, how water will flow, like that only river water will be on rainy season. वेग और कलकल के मारे उठता है कोलाहल. And when water will flow with fast, it will flow very fast, what will happen? That water noise will come. You have listened any time water noise, how it will sound? Very good sound will be there. And on beach you go, how it will be waves sound, like that only. On river also you can listen some good noise. गंदले जल में घिरनी भंवरी भंवराती है चंचल. And when rainy season, when water will be too much, it is rainy, water is not sent, so that water will be so dirty, like muddy water you can see. Okay, yellowish water will be there in that. Some place it will be round like a tornado. Okay, one place in water you have seen na, or take a bucket, put your hand and round it, your hand you put round, take it out, what will be like a whirlpool. Okay, same some places in river also you can see. दोनों पारों के वन मन में मच रहा है रोला. So in river both side, this side also and that side also, different things is happening. I told you that side what was there, Kans flower was there, that side also people are there, this side mango is there, palm is there, people are living. So both side too much sound is there, water is running, flowing, so everything is so beautiful. वर्षा के उत्सव में सारा जग उठता है टोला. And when rainy season will come, what will happen? Everywhere greenery will be there, a water, good sound will be there, overflow, waves is there. So when you see all those things, it looks very good. So here, this was your small poem. What poet want to say? Now many people not getting chance to see the river. Beginning, how a river is attached with people, how people are attached with the river. Okay, how their life is there. There people don't have bathroom, that time many people don't have hand pump, so they are all daily work, water related work they will do in river only. And river, how summer season will be there and rainy season how is the river, they have discussed. And near the river what things is there. Okay, next we will go for word meaning. Lesson 17, word meaning. Nadi, nadi means river, R-I-V-E-R, river, river means nadi. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी means zigzag, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी means zigzag. बालू, बालू means sand, balu means sand. In poem what I told, river sand will be white color, beach sea sand will be yellow color. River sand, it will be very thin and soft, beach sand will be little big and rough. This is the difference between a sea sand and a river sand, but both are known as a sand. Balu, balu means sand. Dhalu, stop, slope. Dhalu means slope, S-L-O-P, slope, slope means dhalu. Machli, you all know machli, machli means fish, machli means fish. Kolahal, kolahal means noise or sound, kolahal means sound or noise. Like in classroom all students are shouting, you can say that is kolahal. You are not understanding actually what they are talking. If all will talk together, only noise will be there, but what is the special talk you can't identify because all are talking together. Same, if birds all are twittering, so don't know which bird is specially twittering, all type of bird they are twittering, that is known as a kolahal. Or water going by flow, so too much noise is there, that is also known as a kolahal. Kolahal means noise or sound. Gandle, gandle means dirty water. Dirty water means it's not like a drainage water here. Here dirty water means not a drainage water. Dirty water means muddy water. You can say muddy water, not a clean water. One means forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Forest means one. Utsav, Utsav means festival. Utsav means festival, F-E-S festival. Okay, festival means utsav. Uchhal means jumping. Uchhal means jumping. Children will jump now when you are happy. Frog will jump, okay, or some animals, baby, they will jump, okay, when you are happy. So that is jumping, uchhalna. Or ball, if you throw the ball, what will happen? It will jump. So uchhalna means jumping. Keechad means mud, mud, mud means keechad. Siar means jackal, jackal, jackal means siar. Okay, so today we will read this much only. You try to read, do the reading practice and write the word meaning. Next classes we will read question answer and book exercise. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.